welcome to Zittel Farms. How you doing? Oh, I see your mask is upside down. Where's mine? Go outside. Caramel?
I like caramel.
Yeah, I like caramel too. What do we have? Let's see. Hello. Well, we just saw caramel on the sign. We're like, oh, what's in here? Alright, look at, oh my gosh. That bottle back there takes me back to being a little girl. Oh, the shape of this bottle. Holy mackerel, it took me back. Wow. Oh, look at fresh popcorn, $1. Clearly, I like food. Okay. Look at all of that. Looks like
It's like shoes.
Yeah, from boots or sneaker shoes. Oh, look at the Woody Woodpecker. Look, wow.
Wow.
That's awesome. Cool. Look at the old stamps. Are those stamps? Regular stamps? What is that? Your favorite thing? The animatronics. Okay, let's go check it out. Oh, we got some pumpkin carving things. Some decorations. We got some, okay, so this is the price legend. So if you have something that's this size, $6, $3, all the way down. See, I love the white ones myself. You know what? We should get a couple of these. Because we have ones that are like this and this big. I think we should get some little ones and then, whoa, look at this guy.
Oh,
Whoa, that's like,
it's like
thick as
gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. You're gorgeous. Let's look around. Look at all, oh, look at this. I like this pumpkin.
Whoa.
That is cool. I like that one. Alright. Look at this. We have a whole selection of wagons. Pick out your pumpkin. Oh, I love the ones with the, they call them warts, but oh no, could you save? Probably goes right there.
This way, we already took that one. Here we go. We did our hands. Let's go.
Aww.
Hi, buddy.
He's cute. I have a thing for the white ones. Let's look around. Hey, this looks like a little tunnel. Right, I think I found a tunnel. Secret portal.
Oh.
You want to go in? You should probably go in that way.
No, I'll meet you on the other side.
Okay. Wonder if it's time travel. You think you'll come out younger? Older? Don't know. Why? You're older. Oh, look at these old stagecoaches. These are cool. What's that? No worm? Oh, look at all the zinnias. Oh, I love zinnias. Oh, they're so pretty. Whoa! Whoa! It's like a triangle tunnel? That's crazy. Ride the snake. Ride the snake. Bubby. Is it squishy? Oh, it sounded almost squishy. So what are these? I can't remember. These morning glories or sweet peas? I can't remember. But that is so cool. It's like a three-way tunnel. Okay, let's check it out. Look at this old stage. What is this? Stage coach? Or horse carriage? I'm gonna say horse carriage. Right? I don't know. But that is cool. See, Buzz? Look at it. Yeah. This was the family car.
Whoa.
Right?
So
Yeah, it's crazy, huh?
it's so different.
Definitely not a Lamborghini.
Uh-huh.
So I forget how much these would be. These like the $3? The $6? Look at that.
Oh, I love those.
So cool.
I love these.
What? Yes, me too. I love these
I
kinds.
don't even know how to those form like that.
They're
I
so
like
cool.
the pack of it.
They say they're like warts, but I don't want to call them warts. Let's give them our own name. Like, these are the artistic pumpkins. Or the, what can we call them? Because wart sounds like it has like gross it's not supposed to have. I see them every year.
World's smallest oranges.
World's largest oranges.
These things.
Oh, those are the oranges. This guy's lost his mind. Look at, he is cracked.
That cracked me up.
Oh, dude. Dude, you want to be Ma?
I'll be mama.
Mama and Papa. Hey, I want to be in this. I want to get in on this action. Huh. There's some tall corn back there. You see the tall corn back there?
Whoa. Good job.
Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. This is what used to till the ground back in the day. Look at that. That would dig up your soil.
Oh my god.
So that you could plant more pumpkins. Wow, dude, that's pretty cool. Folsom. Oh, look, it's got a hand crank. This is how they started it. You'd be all, Don't do it now. What if it starts? And then you have to go till the land. No, don't start it. No, wait, don't till the land. You need wheat for the winter. Exactly. Oh, I see a goat. Look. Oh, look at. Ooh, that one's cool. Look at this guy. Oh, that's really cool, guys. Oh, look at these guys. This guy's like done. He's all, I'm done retired. I'm just gonna relax today. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? You're cute. You're pretty cute. So what's going on? Poor Riley. He's so stoked on my jokes all day. Oh, look at this cutie. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing? You're funny. Hi, cutie. Oh, you're looking to headbutt something. I always wonder how those horns feel. I always think they'd be itchy. Are you too scared to get down? Oh,
ow.
Joel clunking his head on the way down. Oh, what a cute little kid. He's a cute kid.
I've never seen that.
A silly goat? Is he a billy goat or a silly goat?
Now I'm a baby.
Oh my god, he's cute. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Guys. Does he think it's good? Hi, he's so little. You guys are so tiny. You're so tiny. You are adorable. Look at how cute they are. They're so tiny. He's the teenager.
Look at him.
You're so cute. Is that him talking?
Yeah, it's him.
Always watching.
Oh, there's no game.
You're so
I like
cute.
that little fluffy black one. This guy is just wanting me like heck.
They're
They
adorable.
can't even fly yet. And that's how
They are so cute. Oh, is there any more in the box?
He's a little fella. He's a little frost. Hi, honey. Look at this guy. I like him. I like all of them.
I like all of them.
He's really cute.
Okay, I think we should get our pumpkins. Go get a beverage. I'm dying for a tea. I want some sweet tea. Across the street. We found it. Why do you have to have this one?
Butt cheeks.
Wait. What is it?
Butt cheeks.
Too much. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's pay. Let's get out of here. I want a tea. What do we have up here? So cute. Okay, let's pay for our stuff. Okay, wait. Yeah, no, we're about, oh, you're going to the golf course?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shortcut.
But, Riley?
So cute!